Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a tour of the Hilton Rose Hall all-inclusive resort in Montego Bay, Jamaica. So this is what the front of the hotel looks like. This video was taken very early in the morning. I wanted to make sure I got some good shots without people being in the way. But when you first check in, you're greeted with cool towels to cool you down and someone to help you with your bags. You're also greeted with a welcome drink as well. This is just the reception area. If you're interested in seeing more details on my specific Jamaica trip, please be sure to check out my full Jamaica vlog. I'll leave the link in the description box below. If you guys want like a full itinerary of everything I did, all the places I went, the activities I did, the excursions, everything like that, you will find that in that video. So please be sure to check that out. Outside through these doors, you will find a bar and just patio space to lounge out and relax. And this kind of overlooks the front of the, well, I guess you could call it the back of the resort, where there's a pool and a bunch of lounge chairs to relax overlooking the ocean. My room was over here, so I had an oceanfront view room, which was really nice. And there's more rooms over here as well, and on the other side of the building also. Going back through the lobby area, over here there was a cafe, which I visited frequently during my stay here. They have some really good beef patties here. They have donuts, coffee, tea, ice cream, sandwiches, fruit. So this is like a little cafe where you can come get breakfast and snacks and just kind of chill out here. I came here a lot for ice cream, and they also have really good donuts and beef patties. That was the I was snacking, okay? And they're open from I think like 7 to I think like 9:30 p.m. So all day you can just grab snacks. It's all inclusive, so you can eat as much as you want. Down these stairs, there is the cafeteria where you can also get breakfast. Over here is a restaurant that you need reservations for. And there's the cafe where you can get breakfast. They have buffet style breakfast, so you can get like omelets, fruit, eggs, sausage, French toast, pancakes, all types of different breakfast foods. They also serve lunch and dinner. Also out here is where they play live music. In the nighttime, they play live music. They have different type of shows and entertainment. That's usually done in this area here. Sometimes they'll bring the food outside and you can get food and just chill outside. So that's usually done in this area. So down here's the pool, which is really nice. Over here is another restaurant. It's like an Italian restaurant. I ate there one of the nights that I was here. The food was decent. It was okay. But yeah, that's an Italian restaurant. Over here to the right, these are just people's rooms. They have like little patio rooms. Straight ahead of me is where you get your towels. Over here they have like shuffleboard and different type of games. And right here again is where you get your towels for the day and exchange dirty towels. Not the towels that you shower with, but like pool towels. You get them from here. Over here, heading this way, is another pool and swim up bar. And also over here on this side are a couple of water slides. So if you have kids, or even as an adult, if you want to indulge in water slides, that's over here. They have this bridge that you can cross and also take very nice pictures on. Here's the water slides, and there's the pool and swim up bar, and also there's a lazy river that connects the pool to the swim up bar. They usually have a DJ over here that's playing music, which is really cool. You could grab food from the swim up bar, like nachos and just kind of like pool food, jerk wings, beef patties. They have good drinks and stuff like that. You could just chill by the pool, which is really cool. Again, this video was taken very, very early in the morning. That's why there's no one here. I wanted to make sure that I took the video so that you guys could really see what the resort is like without people walking through and everything like that. So, yeah. Over here is a beach, and this is another restaurant here. And over here on this side is another part of the beach. There's a little grill hut over there. You can order food. And this is the beach. I spent a lot of time over here at this beach. Not a lot of people come to this side of the resort, so it's kind of secluded, which I like. But yeah, over here is the beach. You see some people getting their morning walks in. Really, really nice. There's another side to the resort that I didn't catch, which is on the complete opposite side. They have like a little area where you could lay in like some hammocks. This is just the opposite side of the swim up bar. So this is what it looks like if you want to grab food from this swim up bar, but you don't want to be in the pool. You can come on this side and have food and everything. This is just the other side. If you have any questions on this specific resort, please be sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Peace out, baby.